Hello everyone and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. Today we're making lettuce wraps with black beans and I will leave the recipe in the description box below. So the first thing we're going to do is add some oil to our pan, and I use organic black beans and I rinse my beans off. I just do. I don't like the sauce that it comes in. And I'm also going to add to that 2 chopped cloves of garlic. I will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna let all of this cook together a little bit. Guys, it is 2 days before fall. I am so excited. So excited. I'm ready to go camping, guys. I got some new news for you, but I will tell you that in another video. We're gonna add some red tomatoes to this pan. And I just want them to open up a little bit. I don't want to cook them down. Just want them to just share a little bit of that good old flavor. So here we add in a half a teaspoon of onions and a half a teaspoon of green pepper. And we're going to mix all that together. And then we're going to add 2 handfuls of spinach. And we just want this just to wilt down a little bit. So while this is doing its thing, we're going to hop over here and make our sauce. You have to have some type of sauce for your lettuce wraps. So here we're going to use 1 whole avocado, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, and a tablespoon of ketchup, and a tablespoon of mayo. Also, we need a half a lemon. Gotta have some citrus. And a half a teaspoon of relish. So delicious, guys. And we're going to blend all of this together. Fall is around the corner, like I said. Please let me know in the description box what's your favorite soup. It doesn't have to be vegan. I can make it vegan. Let me know in the description box below. So we're going to blend this together, and then it's time to prepare our wraps. Now, let me tell you, this is going to make quite a bit, so this will last you about 2 weeks. In my house, it doesn't. My son puts it on everything. He loves it. Everything is ready, so let's put together our lettuce wraps. So we're going to start with our black beans, and then we're going to add our spinach and tomatoes to it, and then our sauce. And let me tell y'all something. This was good. It's just a simple dish. You have your protein, you got your spinach, you have your tomatoes. What more do you want? This is a great lunch. This is my lunch, by the way, guys. This wasn't dinner. This was lunch, and I enjoyed it. Guys, thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. And to all you that have been with me forever, I just love it. You know I do. Thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul, and I'll catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye, guys.